Today, in this video, we'll create this eye zoom effect in Filmora without using any external software. To start, add your video to the timeline and play it until you find the frame where you want the eye zoom effect. Next, take a snapshot of that frame, trim the video and add the snapshot after the video. Right-click on the snapshot and select duration, then change its duration to 1 second and 30 frames. After that, double-click on the video, add a keyframe at the starting point of the snapshot, and move 30 frames forward to the previous keyframe. Increase the scale to 400 and adjust the position to keep the eyeball in the center. Then go to the Mask tab, choose the Draw Mask option, and draw the mask around the eyeball. Next, move the snapshot to the second layer, right-click on it, and copy it. Then paste it onto the layer below. Double-click on the top layer, enable the Invert Mask option. Now, select the below layer, in Basic tab, scroll down, and add a keyframe for opacity at the starting point of the snapshot. Move to 30 frames forward and decrease the opacity to 0. However, somewhere between 6 to 10 frames backward, add another keyframe with 50% opacity. Now, go to Transitions tab, search for Warp Zoom, and add this Warp Zoom 3 transition toward the ending of above snapshot, then double-click on Transition, and change the duration to 1 second. Finally, select all the layers and move them above, and add any video to the first layer to reveal it through the eye zoom effect. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel to see more amazing content. I will see you in the next video.